See, me and Timberland, we got the hits from here. From here to overseas, the SWQs. Check it one time. See,
Y'all, Celie here sent me over a closure wig, you guys. They also sent me so many goodies. They sent me eyelashes, a bonnet, a HD wig cap, a comb, a little baby hair comb, clips, 2 headbands, and they also sent me an instructional card with all the information about their hair and how to take care of it. Y'all, they sent me a 24-inch closure wig. I don't know why I thought they was gonna send me body wave, but I got straight. But either way, the straight hair was very luscious. It was given very much, I got a perm, but it's a wig, like the beautiful. Now, the knots did not come bleached. I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. You guys have seen me bleach knots already, so I'm not going to keep doing the same thing, you know. And this wig does come with a breathable cap if you guys are in a hot state, you know what I'm saying, and you still want to wear a wig, you need a breathable cap. Now, I did go ahead, bleach the knots, and wash the hair. And this is the hair below dried. I did not straighten it yet. Now, I'm going to go ahead and straighten this wig and show you guys. Now, as y'all can see, the hair is already straight. I went in with my Babyliss Pro flat iron and the Erica J Sheen spray and heat protectant, y'all. The hair is going to smoke, but don't be scared, y'all. I have a heat protectant on it. It is not the hair. The hair is not burning. This hair was actually very good quality and took the heat very well. So I did go ahead and get the hair bone straight. Now, if you guys remember my last video, I was telling y'all about this new trend about pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached wigs. You know, the glueless wigs that are ready to go. So this wig is actually a pre-cut wig, you guys. They sent it to me already cut, but the knots were not bleached and it was not plucked. So yeah, you guys, I did all my customization off camera. But if you are a new beginner, like if you're new to wigs, all you really need to do is bleach the knots. You really don't need to pluck. You just need to hot comb and wax stick that wig down, okay? So I'm just going in and getting the hair as bone straight as possible. If you guys go through my wig install videos, y'all will see I have not done straight hair in a while. So I was really happy that Celie Hair sent me this luscious straight wig, y'all. And it's 24 inches, but it's really giving like 26, 28 because I'm like 5'3", so.
When there's not enough, I'm feeling team. I need chips. I tell that cookie like a baby, carry that on my head. I just need a son, cause shorty got me shots, got me pleasure for boy, I get that money on my house, give a fuck about my bagels, on my said she can't be touched, that I make that got it, huh? I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, bitch. Royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch. Push a T, push a pound, need a brand new weed, kill my dog. Please, I go Keanu Reeves, get him gone. Why you telling me, just let it be. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, but come out that A, just let that be. TLC, no, I'm finna keep my phone on D&D. That's my song, ride that to beat, I ride that to sleep. You ain't beat, you know you beat to me, he beat me. I need chicks, I tell that cookie like a baby, carry that on my head. I just need a sip, cause shawty got me shots, got me pleasure for boy, I get that the money on my house, give a fuck about my bagels, on my said she can't be touched, that I make that got it, huh? I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch. Royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
If I can't love myself enough.
So when it comes to glueless wigs, you guys, I would recommend y'all style the wig on a mannequin head. That's what I do because I can't see the back of my head and I'd be struggling. So I did go ahead and style the wig and straighten the wig on a mannequin head before putting it on my head. And then doing that also minimizes the time that I spend actually installing the wig. So putting the wig on, you guys see this wig is fully glueless. You can throw it on just like I did and walk out the house if you want. But unfortunately, this wig was actually a little too big for my head. So the lace didn't lay flat. I had to go in and cut the lace, and I did have to go in with some even spray just because it didn't match my head size. So when ordering this wig, make sure you get the right size. And something was so off with the part, you guys. I was trying to do a side bang. I was trying to do, a side part. I was trying to see where, if and where I wanted baby hair, but I don't know, y'all. I just went in with the even spray. Like I told y'all, the wig was a little too big, so I had no choice but to spray it down. And as y'all can see, I did cut a hole in the lace by accident. That was all my fault. I was hot combing and trying to watch TV on the iPad. But as y'all can see, y'all, it is an instant melt. Once you do your makeup, apply some makeup on the hairline. And once you do your makeup, it'll just blend flawlessly. Trust me. So yeah, the wig was baggy, a little baggy on me, so I did have to go in and cut it. But once I used the even spray and the melt, it literally melted into my scalp, you guys. So the wig cap is optional, you guys. If you want to put a wig cap on, you can. If you don't, you literally can throw this wig on and go. It's really up to preference, okay? So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this wig install. The install portion was very quick because it is a closure wig and it was already pre-cut. So yeah, thank you so much to Celie here for sending me this gorgeous, oh my God, this gorgeous straight hair. And if you guys are interested in Celie hair, I'll leave everything linked down below. Their social medias and also their website. And they're probably doing some sales, you guys. They always do sales. So just check out their website. And I'll leave a coupon code down below if I have one. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah. Cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good in a pussy, no must. Yeah. Love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah. Money need up. Get that shit out there, gun in the mud. Yeah, look at it glitz, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, pink and green. Fuck on the naked, bust on the spleen. Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a plug, keep a trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you dog, cause I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't gotta see. Been in the roof and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need. I check out the motor, gotta have some speed. Do it by focus, I can see the feed. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good in a pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get this shit out the ground in the mud. When they got rich out the ground in the mud, I'm riding the roads and the mink is a rug. Now I want pushing the trunk is a hood. Told her come through, come and sit on this wood. Neighborhood truck used to cap off a jug. Fuck the net in the back of the hood. I never read and keep that understood. Ain't going backwards, I don't think I could. These labels be trapping rappers like they should. Got M's in a bad bitch, I feel life is good. They naked and payment held down on my foot. Been patiently waiting, wish a nigga would. Just drop a location, my niggas are done. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to scroll. Just picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Look at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good in a pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got this shit out there counting the money. I blow bitch, got these clouds on her butt. Throw them rats up in like a flood.
See, me and Timberland, we got the hits for years. From here to overseas, the estimate check it one time. See, me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Rub your hands up my thigh